So, as a caddy, I never use a buggy, let alone a motorised buggy. But lately, the last few years, there's been an explosion in the use of electric carts.
One of the things about most golf buggy reviews is they all start at the golf course. But that's not the life we live. We have to get it home. We have to get it out of the box, and we have to learn not only how to put it together, but how it functions. Life is just not as simple as they make it out to be.
So today, we're putting them under the ultimate test. Now, we need up and down terrain. We need short and sharp. Where could we possibly do this?
Emulating firm, fast, undulating fairways, surrounded by heavy rough and a few hazards, a BMX track was obvious.
All right, Kippa, ready to do this?
Philip, I'm actually excited.
Are you ready?
Ready.
On three. One,
on three.
two, go.
Oh, Jesus.
As per the rules set down by La Fédération de Racing à Buggy de Moteur, the longer it takes someone to get to the start-finish line, the bigger the time penalty.
Base age.
Instruction manual.
Geez, I weigh a bit.
It's connected to the...
I'm not reading the
manual.
instructions, Philip.
There's a leg.
Is there a button under here? Ah, bingo.
Oh, mags.
They are nice mags. Oh, I've dropped the wheel nut. Oh no. Do they go back on?
Not interested.
Not interested either.
Read the instruction manual.
You've done this before.
Hey, stop!
Those wheels are definitely coming
Oh, there's a
off.
strap. That's a bit
What have I done
weird.
wrong? Do I need to use all the parts? Where's that go? Oh, I don't need these.
Hold on, what's that thing?
Oh, I'm on.
Easy lock. Easy lock. Oh, outstanding.
Oh,
Mine's
no,
got an easy
no.
lock.
Oh no, wrong way, reverse. Here we go. I'm up.
How did you do that?
Oh no!
Oh, that's
Oh,
a
no.
rookie mistake.
Oh no!
That
Oh no, I've just...
is a rookie mistake.
They're my brand new clubs.
Oh, come on, man.
Oh,
12, 13, 14. How much of a handicap do you want to give me?
mate, there's something not right. It kept tipping on me.
Yeah. Yeah. What would stop it tipping backwards?
Oh no, a stick.
A stick. Can you see a stick down where your parts are?
Is that that front wheel that I didn't?
Oh, check out the big brains on Brad.
Well, what's that?
Rookies.
What's the curly thing? Is that important as well? And there's another thing.
I didn't have time to open the instruction manual. Yeah,
Was it
bring
the
that.
stick or the wheel?
The wheel.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, it's in my
What
pocket.
are you doing?
The remote was in my pocket.
The Motocaddy M7 Remote Control buggy is compact in design, but heavy on features. Its twin 23-watt motors are powered by a 28-volt lithium battery for dealing with the steepest of terrain, matched with automatic downhill control. In addition to the anti-glare LCD screen and USB charging port, the centrepiece is the remote control ability, described by Motocaddy as being instinctive. Well, we'll see about that.
Jesus, they've got some
Let's
speed.
take it off. Go measure it. In fact, come on, rear stabiliser. Yes. Oh, look at this goal. Oh, a bit of straighten up adjustment. I need to get wide. I need to get wide on the bank. I don't even need to get. Hang on, I can't see it. Hang on, this hill's steeper than I thought. Hey.
Oh!
Stop.
Oh no, hey, stop it.
Come on. Oh, good. Oh, look at the control. You're gonna have to go, Kipper. I've got momentum.
Come get me, Philip. Tell you what, I'm catching up on this penalty. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Wow! How have you not stacked yet? Bloody staff bags. Cheating. Racing now.
I'm home. I'm home. I've got asthma, Philip. Asthma. But by geez, did I carve you up.
Come on, look at the wheelie. Style points.
Bringing
Style
it
points.
home. Bringing it home.
Just get over the line.
Oh,
Surely 10, 11,
I don't know.
12.
How good was that?
Celebratory donut. Rock and roll.
Results are in. I'll just dust it off, matey. Number one.
Silver's not bad. Silver's not bad.
But in all honesty, mate, it wasn't about winning or losing. That was awesome.
Well, it was about winning and losing because that's what you keep telling me. But tell me, is that, you haven't used an electric buggy before. Tell me what you discovered, because we knew nothing about it.
The fact that I have not used a remote buggy ever,
Yep.
and I could drive it and excessively fast. It was easy as pie.
And what was your number one complaint about the buggy when it came to cornering?
The only issue, actually, if I had to draw a negative over the old Motocaddy, was the fact that you couldn't have the fastest, I guess, lock on and turn at the same time. You had to either go turn or fast. You couldn't do both.
But the reality is that that's the only time you're ever going to tip is when you start taking the piss, or when you want to speed up and turn at the same time. So stable, powerful, easy to put together,
Yep.
functional without tapping into any of the other overly tech stuff, which I'm going to do my best not to talk about.
Yes.
The most important question of all, Kippa, now that you've tried one, would you buy one?
100%. I just loved it. Like, I've never ever had a buggy, let alone a motorised one. I'm always carrying this sucker, and all the players would yell at me if I peeled out one of these. But
They're not getting this back, are they?
I'm not getting this back. They mightn't want it back either.
That's true. They're not getting back. That was outstanding, and good luck with the victory.
We'll hit the button.
I've hit the button.